idea for a fishing challenge. This one's... Ooh, that one might be plastic. Oh, that one's plastic. I would leave until we can't see the bottom of the well, which we call blacking it out.
Welcome to the Chew on This Saltwater Fishing Show.
Yeah! So I'm sitting on my couch, looking at my Christmas tree. Yeah, this one right here. And it popped up in my mind, I got an idea for a fishing challenge. If you ever look at the bulbs on a Christmas tree, the ornaments, they look kind of round and they look a little bit like a fishing bobber. So anyways, let's see if we can put a Christmas ornament on the end of our line, use it as a bobber and catch a fish on it. I think it sounds like a pretty good idea. So let's pick out the right one. Which one do you guys think is the right one? By the way, my wife's in there sleeping. She doesn't know I'm about to steal a Christmas ornament from the Christmas tree. If she did, she'd yell at me right now. You know, I thought about using a glass one, but then I'm like, I'll screw up and something will happen. Let's see, thump it. Is it a glass one? Oh, I think that one's glass. This one's... Ooh, that one might be plastic. Oh, that one's plastic. I think this one's gonna be it. Besides, I like the red one anyway. Matches the new wrap on the boat. Yeah, it's a plastic one. We're going with that one. What you guys think? I think that one's the one. Let's go see if we can catch a fish on it. And I'm whispering a little bit because my wife's in there and I know she'll yell at me if she knows I'm stealing Christmas tree ornaments. Captain John, I think I picked the right one.
What now?
I think I picked the right Christmas tree ornament.
Okay. Let's see. I like it, shiny.
I think it's gonna happen.
Big float.
Where'd all this wind come from? Oh yeah, we got a cold front coming.
Front coming.
So that's why we're doing this today and not some other day.
See this thing. What are we gonna call it? A popping ornament?
Yeah, that's gonna be our bobber.
Yeah. I like it. Yeah. Right off the tree.
All right, let's get out of here. Let's make this happen.
Do it.
Captain John, you ever heard of the game called 52 Pickup?
Yep. I'm on it right now. I think it was 152 though.
He's doing 152 bait pickup. Usually I would, actually I wouldn't leave until we can't see the bottom of the well, which we call blacking it out. We're not quite there, so I'm gonna throw one more. This will be my third cast. And then we'll get out of here and go fishing and try to catch a fish on a Christmas ornament. found some clean water. I mean, at the bridge it was cleaner than it has been because they've been dumping Lake Okeechobee. But not to where you can see to the bottom. This is nice and clean. We'll take it. And I can flip my head around now too. And I just saw a fish bust up in front of us over here at this dock that I think blew off during the hurricane.
I've been killing this snook over there. They all
Yeah, big fish blew up. Right over there by it?
Yeah, they're like at the bottom. If you see some. I've been wanting to anchor that down.
You're like, don't go any further.
It's bottom. It's gonna go up.
Left. The trim.
Got it.
Here we go. That'll be some good stuff. Let's see if we can see some. Oh, here's some fish right here. Here goes a sheep's head. Oh, there goes a bunch of something. Mullet. There went like a sheep's head underneath that.
Throw them right in there and they come out underneath the bottom.
Some more sheep's head, I believe. Another fish just jumped up there. Oh, a whole bunch of. Is that all mullet? I think there might be a snook there. Oh, there's some snook.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's some
There's a
snook.
nice one there. Oh, way up in the trees out there. Good one.
Oh, I like that.
Oh, them. Alright.
We're gonna have a good shot at catching us some fish on the Christmas ornament, or with the Christmas ornament. Christmas ornament probably won't actually have a hook in it, but it's close enough. Never tried it before, so let's see if it'll happen. Ed, what you having? Look at all this mullet. Oh, there's like a fish haven in here today. Right before the cold front. And they're all gonna disappear. We have one more day of awesomeness. Sheep's head,
Just wait, you see.
mullet.
Look on the sheep head.
That's what you're gonna be doing on Saturday. That's a bunch of mullet right there.
That dock is insane.
We'll come back to it.
Yeah, you got it. That's there, both.
There, spotting the fish. I like it. I get to stand up on the bow and look at them and act like I'm at the zoo for fish. Oh, isn't that called an aquarium? Yeah, I'm at the zoo aquarium. But the natural zoo. Nature at its finest. Ooh, birds. I saw those at Animal Kingdom. Wow, look at all those mullet.
That's my favorite one right there.
Man, that is loaded.
Where's the mullet guys?
Man. Man, look at all those mullet. Wow. That's incredible. We found some snook. Now let's see if they want to bite our Christmas ornament. There's like 20 of them right there. And a bunch of mullet. Did you put... You turn the motor off? Cool. We're ringing the afternoon lunch bell right now. Oh, look, don't throw it out yet. All right, you guys, look at that. That right there.
Just got me.
Look, point. Yeah, you see them fins on top? That's like the worst fish to get stung by. Where'd you get stung at?
On my thumb right there. Oh, look at this. Watch up there.
It feels like somebody's hitting you with a hammer for the next hour. It's like the worst fish to get stung by in our area.
Oh, there's a couple of them in here.
Man, are they painful.
I don't know. Let's see if the old-fashioned. Oh, I get hung. Oh, I got out. I got out. There's no fish in it. Thought I would have had one.
You don't have one yet, John. What's up?
So what's up with that? Snarked me, didn't it?
They're right there.
Look where my bait fish went.
I mean, I see them right here.
And they're being. Oh, he came after I pulled it away. He's right there. He's right there. Come back.
Uh-oh.
No, my bait's being stupid. See, he didn't want to go down.
You're probably going to get one on that cast. One underneath the bushes. There we go.
Oh, he's off.
Did you just set the hook on a circle hook there,
No,
Captain John?
Never.
After
Look
yelling
at him chasing the line. Look at him chasing the hook.
Yelling at your clients all those times, and you just set the hook
Did I
on a
yell?
circle
I
hook.
would have never, ever done that.
When you have a circle hook, you're not supposed to set the hook. You just reel tight.
I thought I was bass fishing. Right? You know what? That's supposed to be.
Got him.
Oh, he's off again. Amateur hour. It's okay, they're in there.
You got him. Hey.
Oh, no.
Over.
Over. I guess it's Ben's turn.
No, go again. Let me get my rig.
Alright. I'll have fun while you
Fish candy.
It's a greenback.
Greenbacks are the ones we like. You mean big greenback is in it broken, busted up? Alright, he's hooked up.
Look at them all chasing.
Let's look, following them out.
They're all over right there. Look at it, they're like, what do you got? Look at him. Oh! He's going after me!
He's chasing.
Oh, awesome. Oh, that's cool.
Blowing them up.
There we go. Nice snook too. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Can Ben do it on a Christmas tree one?
That's next.
Here we go, coming up.
Look at him sliding out. All right, so what we got here is, yes, a red Christmas ornament. I think it's going to be pretty awesome. It'll probably do a great job. So what I'm going to try to do is, I'm not going to tie it to the bowl. I'm going to wrap the wire that you would hang on to the Christmas tree around the line. Because I feel if I tie it to the wire, then what's going to happen is it may create a weak spot in the line. So I'm just going to twist it on there, kind of like you do a kingfish rig or something like that. So as I'm twisting around, I'll kind of twist the line around it as well. Now it looks like it's going to stay on there pretty good. The only thing I really have to worry about is it may fall off on the bottom. But on the top, if I just twist it and wrap it around the top, I think it'll stay. But where it connects to the bulb, it may be a little bit more difficult. Let's see, look at it. I think it's going to be pretty good. I'm going to test it a little bit, pull on it. Looks good to me. What do you guys think? Almost. Sure enough. So, here we go. We're going to put it in the water. Look, there's a snook right below us right now and some mullet going by. Isn't that crazy? Look, they're all over the place. Mullet, snook. There's some more. Oh, there's some mullet. Can you believe it? Oh, here we go. It's all ready. Look at that. We were sitting there. Can we do it? Hey guys, you think we can do it? Let's test it out. the Christmas ornament fishing challenge. Let's reach in here. We're gonna grab ourselves a bait. Let's get a nice fat one. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Oh, wait. Oh, there we go. Here we go. We're gonna put it on here. What do you guys? You think we can do it? You think we can make it happen? They're fired up. Yep. Here we go. We're gonna throw a few chummers out. There we go. Get them going. I don't want to have any reason not to bite our bait. Besides, we're throwing this big old Christmas ornament out there. It may spook them, may not. But let's give it a shot. Check this out. Look at that. Like I said, that is awesome. Here we go. Look, there's snook all around. There's one just busted. Alright. Let's throw it up there. He's swimming around. Here we go. We're going to toss it right up. There we go. Nice and tight. Okay, let's see if something tries to eat it. I think one's chasing it. Look, the cork's moving. Yep. Look, he's going faster. He's going faster. I think he's trying to get it. He's right around it. He's looking at it. Oh, he tried to get it. He missed it. Oh, he's got it. Oh, I missed him. There we go. He's going to get it. He's about to get it. He's trying to get... Oh, he's taking off. I got him. Oh, he's jumping. Look at that. You guys, I can't believe it. I'm catching a fish on a Christmas ornament. It's crazy. Oh, I lost my Christmas ornament. Look, here he is. We did it. We got a snook on a Christmas ornament. Well, using the Christmas ornament as a bobber. This is awesome. We completed the Christmas ornament fishing challenge. Look at that. A snook. Wow, look, you put it closer to the camera, it looks really big. And there's our Christmas ornament. Hopefully we can get it back. This is awesome. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to get the hook out of this. This is a circle hook. And the circle hooks kind of get embedded in there a little bit odd. So you have to pull it out of the skin. And sometimes, you know, with snook, fortunately, they don't have sharp teeth. So I can grab them up and they don't cut you. See, look at those teeth. They're just it's like sandpaper. Go back in there, buddy. Alright, there we go. This was awesome. Can you believe that? We just caught a snook on a Christmas ornament. Oh, there's the Christmas ornament underneath the dock. We'll have to try to get it back.
Alright, there it is.
Yeah.
Oh, recovered.
Well, that means we can try it again.
Disco ball.
Oh, there, look, there's snook, there's mullet, snook that busted underneath the dock. It's crazy. Man, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I can't believe we just caught a snook on a Christmas ornament. It's awesome and amazing. They're all over the place. They're busting. It's just really cool. Hey, we'd like to tell you guys thanks a lot for watching the show, subscribing to the channel, hitting that like button. It means a lot to us. You know, we really appreciate it. And if you haven't rang that bell, you should go ahead and ring that bell. So remember, when you see that big fish, before you toss that bait out there to them, you tell them, chew on this. Godspeed. We'll see you guys next episode. For the record, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, I would like to tell you that we lost sound on all of my parts, so I just had to ad-lib everything that you guys just heard from my portion of the video. I hope you found it pretty funny.